Working with customers that have had a disaster, the first thing they want to do is they want to be back into their home. Level Creek Property Restoration has three distinct divisions: our mitigation department, our reconstruction department, and our content department.
Level Creek Property Restoration is located in Buford, Georgia. We were founded in 2010. So we were in the polar vortex, which happened in 2014. It was January 7th, I believe, and we were standing there and equipment was going out. It was late at night. It was about 9:30 at night. We were trying to figure out how we were going to keep track of our equipment, how we were going to keep all these jobs on, dry erase boards, and it was a mess. And that's when we decided we were going to go full force with Restoration Manager.
The integration with Restoration Manager, when we first started looking at them, it was key that they integrated with QuickBooks, which we use, and also with Xactimate, which is the industry standard for this industry that we're in. So to be able to get that off the walls and get it onto a computer where Phil and I can access it on our mobile device if we're at home or here in the office at any time, I think gives us peace of mind when it comes to running a business.
So as a result of using Restoration Manager efficiently and learning more and more, we're able to scale our business from where we were 5 years ago. We've grown 300% as a result in looking at the volume that we're doing now versus where we were.
In 2013, when we started with Restoration Manager, we had 4 employees. Now we have 23. So when you have that many people in the field and you have that many people in the office and that many files being tracked, at any given time with different things, you have to have the software.
Restoration Manager has a feature in its intuitive mobile app that allows us to keep track of the hygrometer readings, the moisture levels and things like that in our materials as we're drying them down. So when we receive a call from an adjuster, from an insurance company, or a customer asking what the status is of a specific job, we're able to go in and search that job immediately and extract the information that we need, whether it be from our project managers, from our technicians, whatever photographs are needed, we're able to access right away by our phone or iPad. We were able to reduce our cycle time by 10%. That was one of the goals that we set out to do this year in 2018, was to cut 2017's average cycle time, and we've been able to achieve that and measure it by using Restoration Manager.
So in regards to using Restoration Manager, whether it be the intuitive mobile or the desktop version, at the end of the day, whether our admin staff is using it or our field staff is using the intuitive mobile, all the information ends up in the same place. It does help us and help our customers get back into their homes faster, and us to decrease our cycle time by the integration and by the handoff between the different divisions and the information that is there in Restoration Manager.
By far, we made the right decision by using Restoration Manager when we were selecting softwares, especially given its position now with Xactware and Xactimate.